Hi, my name is Sam Knight. This is my website for ENGO 551. It's on the Sunshine Coast. It's where I grew up. And the other pages are to fishing, camping, and hiking. This is the index.html. This is the home page. See here, it just has this little hover thing. I thought it looked nice. We have an image as the background. These two banners here, these self-made buttons, these aren't bootstrap buttons, and they're links to the other pages. And this little blurb at the bottom just saying what this website is for. It is sizable. If I can just grab the side here. So instead of the Sunshine Coast, it gets bigger, the Sunshine Coast, just so everything isn't kind of bunched up. We go to the index.html page here, or script here. We have the header, home, link to the style sheet. For index.html, I use Sass and then converted it to CSS. Then we have this meta thing here just for sizing for different screen sizes. The class header, selector header, no, it's just class header. And then we have the banner tags here, and div, the buttons, and an ID for the footer, which was that little blurb on the bottom. So look in the CSS, we have the variable for color. In the body, I wanted this background image. Then we have the @media query, which was for the shrinking of the page there. Just changed what words come up with what size the display is. In the .class selector, we have some stylistic choices. And this, the pseudo class selector here, this is just for the opacity to change it. So it got darker when you put your cursor over it. In the ID selector for footer, we just have these stylistic choices, once again with the pseudo class selector for hover. And we have the multiple element selector. We want all of these to be text align center. For the button class, to link to the other website, some more stylistic choices, once again the hover. Then we use this inheritance from Sass for the banners. The banners were by Sam Knight, travel advisor uses Sunshine Coast. Stylistic choices for the by Sam Knight one. We use this extend query, pull the banner down, change the color to the variable color, which is a greenish. For bad, use the extend again, but red, background color is red. And then we have this here, this nested functionality. Everything in divs, text line center. Anything in div, which is in header 1, color white. If it's in div, header 1 or paragraph, it is that color. And so then if we go over to fishing, looks like this, little blurb, the 2-column layout, table, list, ordered list with unordered lists inside of it. This nav bar, which is the same for hiking. Once again, another little blurb, and popular campsites. Run out of time. And then for hiking, once again, this is 2-column layout from Bootstrap. For hiking, we have hiking on the Sunshine Coast, little blurb, and then links to Sunshine Coast trails. Should probably show that these links work. This just takes you to where Trout Lake is. And then we will show this. So this is the fishing one. The metadata and the header, link to the Bootstrap, same with the display scaling. And this is the nav bar straight from Bootstrap. I didn't want to change anything. I liked how it looked. So this is straight out of the box, copy and paste. This is for the column layout. So for each row, when it's big, it is this big. It is half the screen. And then once the display gets smaller, it takes up the full screen. Same for the other container. Then we have the table, header, data inside, a link for the button. Then we have our list here, the header for the list, ordered list, list item, unordered list item beside it, goes on like that. CSS, we have the body here, so I wanted this background image, the image to be the background. This fluid container, the dash fluid just means it extends the whole page. It's a Bootstrap class. Same with the container. Container has the hover functionality over it. We have the multi-class selectors. And then we have this, what is it called? It is called the child selector here. So I think that covers all the selectors. It's pretty similar for camping with the layouts. CSS could have been the exact same as the other one. I just thought I was learning better by making them all different CSS files, but they all could have just been the same. And that is it. I am out of time. Thank you.